Natural supplements to boost recovery.
Looking for ways to speed up post-workout recovery naturally? Some supplements with roots in traditional medicine, like turmeric, tart cherry, and magnesium, are gaining popularity for their potential benefits. Let's explore what the research says about how these options may help you bounce back faster after exercise.
Turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory.
Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies suggest that curcumin can help reduce muscle soreness after intense exercise. By fighting inflammation, turmeric may support quicker recovery and less discomfort. For best results, look for supplements that include black pepper extract, which boosts absorption.
Tart cherry, recovery in a fruit.
Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds may reduce muscle damage, inflammation, and soreness after tough workouts. Some athletes use tart cherry juice or extract to help recover from endurance events. Research shows it can even support better sleep, adding another layer to its recovery benefits.
Magnesium, essential for muscle function.
Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction, relaxation, and energy production. Many people do not get enough magnesium, especially those who train intensely. Supplementing with magnesium may reduce muscle cramps, promote relaxation, and support the body's repair processes after exercise.
How to use natural supplements safely.
Before adding any supplement, consider the right dosage and potential interactions with medications. Natural supplements can aid recovery, but they're most effective alongside a balanced diet, good sleep, and proper hydration. For individual guidance, talk to a healthcare professional or sports nutritionist.
Takeaway: supporting your recovery naturally.
Supplements like turmeric, tart cherry, and magnesium can offer real benefits for recovery when used wisely. While no supplement replaces the basics of healthy living, these natural options provide safe, gentle support to help you feel your best and return to peak performance.